Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I created this really pretty mustard look, so if you would like to see how I got it, then keep on watching. So I did most of my makeup off camera already. I really wasn't planning on filming today, but I decided to anyways. So I'm mainly going to focus on my eyes in this video, and I wanted to use the Colourpop Honey palette. And so I'm thinking I want to do like a smoky eye, and I wanted to use some of like the darker tones in this palette. So first I'm going to take the shade Oh Behave on my Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Totally Buggin', and I'm going to take that on my Morphe M433 brush and run that through my crease as well. And now I'm going to take the shade Buzzkill, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe G13 brush, and I'm going to pat that on my lid. Okay, now I'm just going to go back in with the first two shades and just do some more blending. Okay, so that's where I want to leave the eyeshadow for now. So I'm going to go off camera, finish up the rest of my face, and then I'll be back to finish up the eyes. And so I just finished up my face for the most part. Everything will be listed on my Instagram, so make sure you're following me on there. It'll be linked in the down bar below. So next I'm going to do mascara, and today I'm going to use the Lancôme Monsieur Big Mascara. For false lashes, today I'm going to use these ones from Boldface Makeup. They're called After Hours. So I'm going to finish off the eyes. I'm going to take the shade Buzzkill on a BH Cosmetic Studio Pro number 7 brush, and I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take the shade Totally Buggin' on a BH Studio Pro number 8 brush. And now I'm going to take the shade Oh Behave on my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors out some more. And now I'm going to take the shade Totally Buggin' on a BH Studio Pro number 8 brush. And I'm going to run that along my lower lash line. And now I'm going to take the shade Oh Behave on my Morphe B79 brush, and I'm going to blend those two colors out some more. And now I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. This is the Tarte Lancôme Lashes Mascara. Okay everybody, so that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And also make sure that you're subscribed and leave a comment down below. And I'll see you all next time.